Day 15, 1981 CB750. Partner had to go home last night, so solo this morning. Really only did about 9:30 to 11:30, so really only a couple hours. And all I did was just tear down all the straps that we had, pulled all the paint items down, the wheels, swing arm, triple tree, a few other minor components. Pulled all that stuff down, just double checked everything. Everything looks great. I did go ahead and put the swing arm on and the shocks that we intend to use. We're going to have to check the ride height. We want to pull the rear up. This is kind of more of a cruiser profile, and obviously we want to level that rake out in it. So these originally were on the 79KZ 650 that we built, and it just wasn't quite as high as we wanted, so we ordered some taller ones. We're going to see with this. We're optimistic. We kind of checked them before we pulled the old shocks off. These were a bit taller, so we're hoping it helps with the leveling part. Don't really want to have to take length out of the front forks. That's not something I've done. It's not something I really want to do at this point, but if it comes to it to level it out, we'll just pull them off and do it. It's just how it goes. But yeah, so put the swing arm on. Here's the parts taken down. Wheels look great, turned out great. Forks look great. Everything, triple tree, all this stuff is looking good. I could put the carbs on right now, but nah. I really wanted to put the forks on, but the gators aren't in, and I was very particular about the gators that we wanted on here. I wanted to have a very OEM style look with the way that the fork seals are on this. I wanted it to come over them and not butt up against them. And too many of the universals just wouldn't have done that. Ended up having to order them from China, and it's taken forever. If they were here today, I'd put the forks on and start working up some of the wiring and things up at the controls. But that's just the way it goes. Apparently that's life telling me it's time to mow the grass, which I'm not very excited about. But thanks for checking in, and probably back at it in a couple weeks. Head on vacation next week.